Hello my beautiful glam style family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli and I hope you're doing absolutely amazing today. It's been a hot minute since I've done a decorating with me video. As some of you know, I was on vacation for almost 3 weeks. This was an unexpected thing, but we were so grateful to spend a lot of quality family time in Colorado with my husband's side of the family. And I got to refresh my mind, my ideas for some wonderful DIY videos that are coming your way. Anyways, I am so happy and so excited to be sharing with you today how I'm going to be decorating my living room for summer. So if you want to see how I'm going to be transforming my living room into a summer extravaganza, don't move, stay right there, and let's do this a glam style. Okay, my loves, as many of you know, this is my entrance. This is what it looks like, and I have this little rug right here, and it has like glitter, and I don't know why the camera doesn't pick it up, but it does have glitter. And then I have this little hangers, and I have my purse right here so I don't be running like crazy looking for it when I leave my house, and a little umbrella. And that's all I have right there. And then over here there's a closet, and then right here this is where I put the little mirrors with the butterflies that we DIY'd in one of my videos. I think it was my last video, and I'll leave that in the description below. And I just think they look so cute. And this is, you see when you enter my house, and this is the only part that is decorated. I decorated it before, and I have a DIY on how to exactly do this on my Instagram. I'll leave it in the description below as well. And yeah, I don't know if you guys remember that there was like a black box right here from my husband's surround system. It's still there. I just covered it up with the box that I did for Valentine's, so I reused that box, and then I just added this sparkly little it's a table runner, so I just put it on top so it could like look nice and pretty and black doesn't show up. And yeah, and then on this side I have this vase with flowers. The vase is from Burlington, and I think I paid like $12 for it. This was a long time ago, like years ago. So yeah, that's all I have right here in the entrance. Moving along the fireplace, I have my little DIY candle holder. I just love it, it's so cute. So I made two, and I have one on each side, and then I have my vase in the middle, and then I just put the Chanel book at the bottom. This is the Chanel book that I've used before, and I just removed like the top part of it. And then I have this ball of roses, white roses. And inside of it, I have like all my controls, my remotes for the candles, the fairy lights, the TV, the PS4, and everything. So I just put that on top, and it looks so cute. See? It looks so cute. And then the last thing I want to show you before I start decorating is the garland. I removed the pink one, of course, and put this white one so it could look nice with like all the decor that's about to go down. So let's start decorating. Over here on the very corner of my mirror, I'm going to be using this beautiful vase. I also got this at Burlington Playa a few years ago, and I'm just going to add it right here in the corner with this gold branches. This one's I got them on Christmas at Hobby Lobby, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I got them at Hobby Lobby on Christmas, and it's only $3, and I just thought it looked so beautiful in the vase. So right next to it, I'm going to be adding this very, very similar vase. It's just white roses with this silver vase with glitter. It is, I don't know, it's so beautiful. It has glitter, and then it has like the chrome, and it looks like kind of like a giraffe, I would say, pattern. And I'm gonna add it right next to it, and just these two beautiful vases look so gorgeous together. But it's not gonna stop there, because remember this lantern that we decorated for, I think it was for spring, or for, yeah, it was for spring. And I'm just gonna add it right here in front of it, just kind of like giving it that extra something that it needs. And I just think it looks so gorgeous like this. So beautiful. The gold, the white, the silver, all of it, it looks so beautiful. Now we're going to be moving to my side tables. For this table, I'm going to be using this beautiful candle holders from Kirkland's. I got this a few years ago, actually not a few years ago, like 5 years ago, but I believe they still carry them. They're just so beautiful. And the candles, I don't know where I got them from, but I added the glitter, and as you can see, it doesn't have the wick, and that's because I'm not gonna use them. I lost the wicks when I did the whole thing, but I'm not gonna use them, so they're just for decor, and they just look fabulous. For this table, I'm also going to be using this picture frame, and all I did was, I do have a little video on Instagram if you guys want to look at it, but I flipped the paper that it comes with, and then I added a mirror butterfly, and then on top of it added the gold butterfly. This is just so gorgeous, and it's like super inexpensive, especially if you already have a frame. So I'm just gonna add it right here, and that's it for this side table.
And then in both of the sofas, I'm going to be adding 2 white fluffy pillows. These are pillow covers from Amazon, and I will leave them link in the description below. And I'm also going to be adding 2 blue pillows. These are also pillow covers from Amazon and will also be linked in the description below.
I'm always scolded, so this is a must. I'm going to be adding this white, glittery, beautiful little throw blanket. It's so pretty, and I hope you guys can see like the glitter that it has. It's just so beautiful. And I'm just going to be adding it right here, and I'm just gonna throw it so it seems like I just threw it there, like I didn't actually intentionally put it there, but we both know I did. So let's do this. And this other side table, the decor is going to be very simple, just like in the other side table. And I'm just gonna add this little candle holders, candelabras, and I have this little matching vase, and I just added this white hydrangeas with this little blue hydrangeas. And I'm just gonna add it right here, and just kind of like, that's it for this little table, and it's just very simple but very glam. And now we're at my coffee table, and to decorate it, I'm going to be using this beautiful sparkly tray with a mirror in front. I got this at Burlington for $16.99, and I thought that it was a super good price, considering that I've seen some other more simple ones for the same price. So I'm just gonna add it, place it right here on the side, and on top of it, I'm going to be placing this garden fairy right here. This, I got it at Burlington for $12.99, and this is a garden fairy, so wherever the garden stuff is, that's where it was. I just happened to paint it white. Right in front of my garden fairy, I'm going to be adding my DIY butterfly coasters that we did in one of my videos. And then on that side, and then right along this side, I'm going to be adding this little dome that I found at Marshall's for $14.99. And when I saw this, I was like, this is going with me, especially because it was from the David Tutera collection. And if you know David Tutera, you know that guy is amazing. I remember when they used to show his show, My Wedding with David Tutera, it was just so amazing, and I wouldn't ever miss it. I'm like a really big fan of David Tutera. His work, I think that he's a very talented human being, and those weddings were always amazing. It was never a disappointment. But okay, I'm going to be adding on top of it, because I'm going to be using it as a candle holder, this candle by Bath and Body Works, and this is Crystal Waters, and it smells It just smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells like summer. So I'm just gonna add it on top, or place it actually on top, and just cover it up. And whenever I want to use it, I'll take it off, and you know the whole everything. And then on this side, I'm going to be placing this vase, this gorgeous vase that goes with the candelabras on my other side table. And inside of it, I'm going to be placing this blue and white hydrangeas. The blue hydrangeas are from Michael's and the white ones from Amazon. I'll leave them in the description. Below if you guys are interested. And I'm just gonna add 2 and 2, kind of like across each other. And of course, if we're decorating with butterflies, I had to have a giant butterfly. This one, I got it at Marshall's. Yes, Marshall's for, I think it was $12.99, and I'm just gonna place it right here. And that is going to give it that extra touch of summer, that extra touch of butterfly. And this completes the look of my coffee table.
Okay ladies, so right by the bar I have this little stool, and I had 2, but I decided that I wanted to use the other one for something else, so I only have 1. And I'm going to be adding this fluffy little rug. It's just a small one, and this gold pillow. So let's do that. Just gonna add it right here, kind of like place it on top. And then in this area right here, I have my diffuser with some of my little smells. Like right now I'm using this ones, and they're all from, not the little butterfly. I removed, this was from this DIY, and I removed it, and I'm using it of course as a tray for my oils. And right now I have the orange chiffon cake. I also have this violet sugar, this cucumber melon, and the dragon fruit. These are from Amazon, and I'm gonna leave them in the description below. They smell amazing, so I just have them right there. And I have this flower right here, and the other little decor. So, are you ladies ready to see the final result?
Drum roll, please. Dun, 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 dun.